Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You open Google Earth and jump straight into navigation. Grant location and storage so the app can cache imagery. Tap search and type a place or paste coordinates to land precisely. Use one-finger swipe to pan and two-finger drag to tilt the globe. This gives perspective, which helps you assess elevation and context. Once done, pinch to zoom smoothly. These first actions get you where you need to be fast and preserve data by caching only viewed tiles. You now deepen your exploration by enabling layers and 3D buildings to understand urban form and landmarks. This shows why a site matters. Tap Voyager for curated tours that connect context and visuals, and open Ruler to measure routes or areas. Switch units to match your needs. Save important locations into projects so you can return quickly, and export KML/KMZ when you want to share or archive. These steps organize your findings and make the app useful beyond casual browsing. You finish by syncing projects to your Google account so everything is backed up and available on desktop. This preserves edits and place marks. If imagery is stale or the app lags, clear cache first, then restart. If that fails, reinstall to refresh core files. Make sure permissions and mobile data are enabled so tiles download. If tiles still won't load, switch to Wi-Fi or check airplane mode. One tip: clearing cache often resolves display issues without losing saved projects.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.